I want to focus on at the moment is how we become what we are as a result of the life force energy. When a sperm meets an ovum in a lady's womb, the sperm enters the ovum and fertilizes it. And from that moment on, begins a most amazing and remarkable set of events, because those two cells suddenly, for no apparent reason, become 4, and then become 8, and then become 16, and then become 32, and continue to double and double and double at a fantastic rate. And 9 months later, we have another new little human being. But the mystery of how all that happens, how it starts, how it continues, is all down to one thing, and that's the spark we call life. Now, inside this apple, there are some seeds. And we have a little stalk here, which is like the umbilicus that a baby has when it's formed, because as it formed, it was still attached to the mother. This, of course, apple was attached to a tree. And you notice that the shape of the apple is, if I can draw it, it's like that, and like that. And if we turn the apple round, it's like that all the way around. Now, what's so astonishing about that is, if you take a bar magnet and you put it on a sheet of paper, and then you put a piece of card on the top of that, and sprinkle it with iron filings and tap it, the magnetic lines of force from a bar magnet will take that same form. So you'll see develop on that bunch of iron filings this shape. And this is a universal shape. This is what happens at cell level when the sperm and the ovum meet and begin to reproduce. And that's a mystery how that happens. And we work in our work with energy, and we know that the energy that is in a human being extends beyond the actual body.